Hello pumpkin people, welcome back to my channel. So I don't want this intro to be too long. I have a pretty big fall home decor haul to share with you guys. I also will have a dedicated Halloween home decor haul to show you guys in the next couple weeks. I'm just waiting on a couple items to come in. And I am going to do an early fall home tour. So I always do an early fall home tour at some point in August where I lightly kind of decorate for fall, and then I do like full on fall decorating. I'll be doing Halloween decorating. So you guys have all of that to come. It sounds like you're really itching for fall decorating videos, but I wanted to show you my new fall decor first, so when I do those videos, you know where things are from. Let's get into it. The first item, not actually hauling this, just wanted to show you guys. I did end up harvesting some of my pumpkins, and so far all of them are thriving. I haven't lost a single pumpkin to the bugs that I was telling you guys about. So fingers crossed they all can mature on their vines. It's only gonna be a couple more weeks before they're all ready. These two, I cut a little early, but they looked like they were ready, and so far so good. So I wanted to show you guys these. They are so cute. I am so obsessed. I'm really loving this one in particular. So wanted to show you guys those. But the first actual items are from the at-home store, and I won't spend too much time on these two, but I did get these two pumpkins from there. These look very realistic. My friend Jamie, she did a at-home shopping video, and she said that they looked like cement, and I do agree. But I also think that they look like real pumpkins that actually come in this color. They're just really nice. So this one is $19.99 and the smaller one is $5.99. And I don't usually decorate with faux pumpkins. I do have a few, but I can't get all the pumpkins that I need to decorate my house before September, and I want to decorate before September, so I did get a few faux ones. Just to kind of compare realism, I feel like these could easily go together and look like you wouldn't be able to tell that this one was fake, especially next to this one. So I don't know, at least that's what I think, but I am really loving these. Also from the at-home store, I picked up this brass pheasant. This is actual heavy metal, and it looks like this. I've seen these in a few different fall decor collections over the past few years. Hobby Lobby has two versions of this out, but I do like this one better because it's actual heavy metal and there's no glitter. This was $14.99 and it is not in the fall decor section. This is the Grace Mitchell collection. So I actually got this in one of the everyday home decor aisles, but I will probably use this for fall, Halloween, and through Christmas. So I love a good versatile piece. And I thought $14.99 wasn't too bad of a price. The last thing that I got from the at-home store is this beautiful planter. It does have a drainage hole and it is terracotta, so this is meant to be used outside. Let me show you guys so you can get a better view. It looks super antiqued and vintage, and this kind of looks like one of those paper mache antique or vintage bowls or vintage inspired that are very popular right now and so pricey. So when I saw this is only, can you guys see that? It was $9.99. I thought, why can't I use this inside? Because it gives that vintage paper mache or just vintage bowl look. I will probably have to put like felt on the bottom so that it doesn't scratch up my tabletops, but I was thinking it would be so pretty with a few of my little white pumpkins in there. And I think I have like 5 or 6 more of these out on my pumpkin vine, so hopefully I'll be able to fill this up with all of my own pumpkins in the next couple weeks. So yeah, this does come in 2 other sizes, so definitely check these out if you've been looking for kind of like an antique inspired bowl at a really good price. So moving on to Amazon, I did get these little pumpkin pods. These are some kind of a natural pod. I love that. When I can have a real natural item, I'll go that direction, but you know, like I said with the pumpkins, you can't always have the real deal when you want it. So anyways, but I do like that these ones are real. When I bought these, they were like $6, and Amazon tends to fluctuate in pricing. So I'm not sure how much these cost now. And they tend to shoot up in price if an influencer talks about something from Amazon and there's a lot of traffic on that particular item. I'm not saying me, I'm saying my friend told me that Liz Marie Galvan from Cozy White Cottage talked about these or put them in a blog post, so they're probably a lot more now, but I bought them for like $6. Something else from Amazon that I have been eyeing for probably years now, and I finally pulled the trigger, is this Creative Co-op black and beige plaid blanket. So this does feel very heavy, but when I actually feel the thickness of the blanket, it's very thin. This isn't a very cuddly blanket. It's definitely more of one just to display. And it's been over $40 for like months and months and months. And I just saw that it went down to, I think, 24. So I pulled the trigger on it. I did not want to spend $40+ on a blanket that's just going to be displayed. So I was happy to get it at a good price, and hopefully when this video goes up, it's still at that cheaper price point, because now that I have it, I would not spend more than what I bought it for. So I do really like this, and it'll be so pretty with my fall decor and my Halloween decor. I did get one item from Kirklands. This isn't necessarily fall, but it is this very large leather tray. This was on clearance. This does say it's on clearance for $29.97, but when it rang up, it was like $22, and it's very large if you can't tell. So I'm probably going to do like a little bar display on this. That's what I did last year for fall, or for early fall, and for Christmas. And I just needed a new tray. The tray that I had just wasn't really my style. It was pretty small. So I felt like this would be such a beautiful one for especially the fall season, but I'll use this year round. Next up, from Anthropology, you know, if you've been on my channel, that I can't stop raving about this candle. I've been buying this probably for 4 or 5 years now, and it is such a splurge. This is, in my opinion, a luxury candle. It's, I think, $36 now, but it is worth it. It smells so, so, so good. This is pumpkin clove. It's pumpkin done right. If you're somebody who loves sweet scents for fall, but you're not a fan of caramel or maple, that's too cloying, too sickly sweet, you have to give this one a try. It does come in a smaller size. It's still expensive, but it's less expensive than this one. I actually recommend that one if you've never tried one of these candles before, because they can be very finicky. They will tunnel. I have to tell you guys this. I can't tell you to go buy a $36 candle and not tell you that it can be a pain in the butt at the same time. You have to let this burn for hours on end so that it doesn't tunnel. Trim your wicks. I love it so much that I will work for this candle, but not everybody is that way. So if you're not that way, definitely get the smaller one. But oh my gosh, it's so good. So it's pumpkin, vanilla, a very warm and toned down spice, and a touch of orange. So it's just really unique. There's nothing else on the market like this, but I also think it's one of those fragrances that most people will like. And anyways, I just had to show you guys this. It looks so pretty. The lid this year is wood with the gold leaves. Actually, one of you guys let me know that these are in Home Goods now for $19.99. And they come in kind of like a silver and orange jar that doesn't have the ridges in it, so keep your eye out for that. Okay, let's move on to Home Goods. I am so excited to use this next item. I'm probably going to use it next weekend for my mom's birthday. I'm having my family over for her birthday. Not sure what I'm gonna make, but I always do appetizers, and this is perfect for appetizers. It is this little Brie Baker, and it comes with the little spatula, and the topper is this adorable little pumpkin. So you can put this in the oven. It says they recommend hand washing and drying, but it does say for more recipes, visit wildeyedesigns.com. So they had recipes. I actually went to the website. So you can actually put this in the oven. I won't put the lid, but I will put this part in the oven. And it's just the cutest thing I've ever seen. It also came in an orange version with a little black bat, and it was so tough to choose which one to get. But ultimately, I have a lot of Le Creuset, or however you say that, Le Creuset, Le Creuset, whatever, that brand. I have a lot of their pieces in this kind of an off-white color, so I decided to go with this just because I feel like it'll match all that stuff in my kitchen. I also just wanted to quickly show you a couple items that are not fall related from Home Goods, just because you guys will see these in my fall displays. But I did get this little marble, what do they call this? I know it starts with an M. Anyways, this was $12.99. You can do this to like grind up spices. It's a little small to make guacamole, but I probably honestly won't use this. I just thought it was really pretty, and my parents always had one of these in their kitchen. I should ask my mom what she used this for. She's probably watching this video, so Mom, shoot me a text. What did you guys actually use this for? Because I just think it's cute, so I wanted it. The other non-fall item that I wanted to show you guys is this set of coasters. I actually may take these back, but they are really pretty. They come in the wood caddy, and then they have the marble, white marble here, the gold stripe, and then this is kind of like almost a seashell sort of a look. I don't know, I'm not like big on coastal decor, but it's subtle enough that you would never look at it and think of seashells, I think. But the reason why I don't like these is they don't have the little felt feet to protect your surfaces. And the reason why I got these obviously is so that I can protect my tabletops, but I feel like they could actually scratch them up. So I don't know. If I put feet on them, then they're not going to sit flush in the caddy. So I may end up returning these. I kind of wanted to show you guys this though as a word of caution, that if you're buying any of the coasters that are in caddies, see if you can kind of prop them up to make sure that they have the little felt feet, or that the bottom is a surface that won't actually scratch your tables. Anyways, let's move on to the last place, which is Hobby Lobby. So from Hobby Lobby, I grabbed this corn husk wreath. This is actually faux corn husk. It looks so real though. The only thing that doesn't look the greatest is this part here, which I could easily take off, but I really wanted a corn husk wreath, probably for a couple years now. I plan to use this on my closet door. I love a good like loud fall wreath for my front door, but inside I wanted something a little bit more subtle and still natural, so this was a really good one. Everything there is 40% off in the fall decor collection, so this was $59.99, but the 40% off. The next thing that I got from the fall collection are these leaves. I've purchased these in the past. These are $2.99, but the 40% off. I got like 15 to 20 of these, and I want to try to make a faux fall tree out of them. I saw this blog post where this person had made I think she said it was a 9-foot fall tree, and it was beautiful. It was inspired by Amber Interiors, who is my favorite home interior designer. And the person actually used these leaves, I'm pretty sure. So I grabbed a bunch of these, and they're a really pretty, like rusty, brownish kind of a shade, very natural looking, and a pretty good price point. So I don't know if you guys have been seeing this in the corner here, but this is the pot that I want to use to put my faux tree in. And it looks like this. It's a really good size. In fact, some people in line behind me were like, oh, we buy those vintage, we go hunt them down in antique malls and such, and they said for the size and the look, this is a really good price. So it's $99.99, but it was 50% off, so I got it for $50, and I think it'll be really pretty with the tree in it. I don't have anything like this. I don't have any large vessels like this, so I felt like it was time to get one, and you just can't beat $50. This size at Pottery Barn would easily be like $200, $300. Also from Hobby Lobby, I grabbed a bunch of these twisted taper candles. So these are $1.99. They also come in other colors besides the orange and the black, but these twisted taper candles are so expensive anywhere else. I have these two outside of the plastic. Even at the at-home store, it was a set of 2 of these orange ones for $9.99. But at 50% off, these are $1 a piece. So even at full price, these are still a good deal. So definitely check Hobby Lobby for these. I feel like they also had a taupe color, which was really pretty, and maybe a white. But yeah, I got the orange, and on camera, it's looking true orange. It is, I don't know, it's not quite like a bright orange, but it's just a really pretty orange. And then the black, so I think I got like 6 of the black ones and maybe 4 or so of the orange ones. The last items from this haul are these 2 beautiful amber-ish glass candle holders. These are from the 75% off clearance at Hobby Lobby. This smaller one is $1.99 and this bigger one is $2.99. So $3, $2, $5 for the set of these. These are so pretty and they look like highball glasses almost. So I thought when I do my little bar display in here with some liquor bottles and some drinkware, these would be so pretty with candles in them. They'll kind of match the highball glasses that we have that have this like etching in them. So I was really excited about these. I know it's just like a little thing, but that amber color is so beautiful for fall, but I can use these year round as well. And you guys, the 75% off clearance is kind of mind blowing at Hobby Lobby right now. There's so many good things in there. I did not need to get a ton of items, but I really liked these, so I went ahead and got them. So that was it for today's video. I know it was a long one, but you guys seem to not really mind when I make longer videos. I want to say thank you so much for being here. I know there are so many other fall videos right now and Halloween videos. It's a really exciting time to be like a fall and Halloween lover and a decorator. So it does mean the world to me that you're here on my video because there's just so much other great content out there. All of the likes and the comments are so appreciated as well. So anyways, thank you guys so much again, and I will hopefully catch you in a future video. Bye now.